Hey guys, and it's Reference here with a layout update, and we're going to show you what changes we've made since the last update. And I'm going to start out by showing the Steam engine 06237. This is the engine that we run on most of the layout trains. And then you have a Seaboard System piggyback trailer beside it. Now over to the yard, where you see 4301 chassis system GP9 with local P53 set up. Track 2, you have a coal train with Southern Railway GP50 and a steam locomotive, which, as you can see on this other side, numbered at number 50, like the Virginia Carolina number 50 at the Southeastern Area Shoreline Museum in Newton, NC. So there's that, and then you have Union Pacific number 124. It's a U-boat with a load of logs. Now you have over here the Roundhouse. You have 3 engines in there. You have a Great Northern Sharknose, Santa Fe GP38-23500, and Family Line's GP35-1403. Also a Santa Fe Blue Goose painted passenger car on the turntable.
Obviously, very apparent that we have a lot of diversity on this layout, and to have the assortment of engines, the assortment of cars, you see so many different things, and we don't really model one railroad, one specific thing. It's kind of a mix of a lot of things. So that's kind of one thing you'll definitely notice. And that Santa Fe 2-ton blue car, really nice package car there. And you have a lot of stuff here on the layout in regards to freight, but we do have some passenger items as well. Obviously, we're looking at HO here, a little bit of N as well. So this is clearly a lot of diversity.
On this next track here, you have a Pacific Western SD40T-2 501. You see it also with a empty coal train set up in the middle of that track, or the track's in the middle of a parking lot, and see Hot Wheels, mostly Hot Wheels cars. Then you have the end scale set up, where you have a Santa Fe EMD, steam engine, looks like an 060, and you have this 1016, a SD60M.
Yeah, we got a few end scale items here. We're trying to really build the fleet of end scale stuff, and that kind of gets it started off. It's a nice engine. There's a few things that we're gonna do to it. We're gonna maybe get some couplers put on, whatnot there, but we're gonna try to build it. We have some pieces that are necessary, and we're gonna try to kind of develop that. Maybe some developments with that coming up, but for now, it's kind of everything's static there with the end scale, but with the HO still as well, we're making improvements. We're always working on things, and definitely look for a lot of that coming up.
And we'll head to the other side of the layout. So now we're on the other side of the layout, and you have some more Hot Wheels cars, part of this parking lot. You have that figure right there. It's a really nice piece. Here's a better view of the yard with the trains lined up. Getting a good view, looking down the tracks, looking down each track. Over here, you have the Grovemont passenger station, the Grovemont freight depot, truck, and then a Southern Pacific GP40, which doesn't have its top piece right now. It's currently misplaced, with a Southern Pacific tanker.
Yeah, another good area there of the layout, kind of the other side of the end scale, and some HO as well. Again, more of a mix over there of both scales. But yeah, right now we're kind of like I said, ramping up the end scale a little bit and trying to get that going and have it with the HO as well. All the high cars are really filling it out, and that's really kind of a good touch. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna keep working on things coming up and kind of see where we can make the improvements and where we're working.
And see the behind view of this train with the Pacific Western. And also a good view of the Government Station. You have a Jaguar figure right there as well. And this roundhouse, it's a handmade roundhouse from the person we got it from. And you have windows there. You can also try to see through it, but another view of the yard, 4301 with the P53. So it's pretty much what we have going on our layout, and again, we're changing things all the time with this layout. We're changing different things with the yard and what that setup looks like. There's a really good top view of the whole yard, as you can see here. And some different views, looking down the tracks and up the tracks. Here you have 06237 running light.